How you guys doing? Just coming to you with a quick trade breakdown um for the trade I took today. That made me $700 on a 50K top step combine. So this is the YM or the US 30 contract. Uh, the mini on Tradeovate, which is the broker I believe Top Step goes through, or at least the one I chose for my account. That being said, let's get straight into the breakdown. So as you can see today, we printed very bearishly. Had a lot of sell off today, and the reason I believe that is because already looking at this higher time frame, you could see kind of the structure to it. We came up here, came down here, then we pushed all the way up here, and now we pulled right back to this level. And yeah, so I see why price came here, right? We could see why price came here. But before the day started, or at least before the session started, we actually hadn't pushed down that low. Price had pushed into this demand, right? Let me get this as accurate as I can. Right, okay. So on the 4-hour, I had noticed that price had been printing this candle coming into the open today, but we were actually somewhere up here, and price had touched the demand but had bounced back up, right? Let me show you on the 15-minute where it's easier to see. So if you could look at the timestamp at the bottom of the chart, right here is this candle right before the open. As you see, this candle opened at 8:15, and this is the candle that opened at 8:30. So in this candle we were pulling up, but there was no real structure to it, so I didn't believe that we were going to see a pullback from this move yet. And I basically believe price could continue to trade into this demand and even break this demand because I actually seen liquidity sitting right below it. Right here is the lowest point we came before actually pushing up to these new highs. And so there is investor interest in this low, and that is kind of why I didn't see the demand holding. Also, like I said, the 15-minute hadn't given any structure. Why am I flipping around? But what are we doing here? What do you mean there's nothing? Yo, my God, sorry guys, I don't know what I'm doing right now. Okay, and I don't know why it says there's nothing on my watch list. This is always on my watch list. What is going on? I'm having technical difficulties today, so I do apologize. Work with me. I've already recorded this video. This is not my third time. Anyway, so coming today, we are right here pushing up, right? And I would need to see more structure before I believe the 4 hours are going to see some type of pullback, right? That's just me and my style of trading. But because I didn't see any structure on the 15-minute, I just believed that it was a small pullback and price would be continuing down. So on the 1 minute, at the time that I looked at the chart, which was like at 8:27, maybe just like a few minutes before the market opened, I noticed that we had bounced from supply on this 1 minute time frame while taking all this liquidity that was formed right here, right? And once we did do that and coming into the market 8:29, we made this engulfing candle, and you would think that, okay, because we had this push up, this may be a pullback and correction, and we're going to continue a type of ABC pattern that would have looked something like this, and price go like this for the rest of the day. But no, that is not what I expected to happen because of the higher time frame not looking all too bullish. So when price closed with this bullish signal, I looked at it like, I know how the market likes to fake people out. So I'm going to enter for a sell. And that's what I did. I entered a sell with my stop loss above this high and my take profit. I didn't really have a take profit. I just closed the trade pretty quickly right at this second candle that printed, because it took out basically any buyers who jumped in at that candle. It took out them, and I knew there would be some type of pullback and then maybe a confirmation that price wants to continue down. And we did get that, but I was trading while I was at work, so that's not something that I've seen as something I would be able to manage. So I just took profit. I made $700 off of this trade, and yeah, that's basically why I took the trade. Hopefully this has provided some sort of insight to you about how trading and the process works if you're not already a trader. If you are a trader already and you just aren't maybe profitable as you would like to be, or you're still just trying to learn and grow and develop your skill set, then hopefully this provided some insight to you as well. But yeah, basically that's the reason I was bearish for the day. And you know, that momentum, that volume coming into the market, pushing us down, actually was able to carry us to these daily lows, or this daily demand that we did tap into. So that is all I have for you guys today. With that being said, good luck on your trading. We still have 3 days in this week. It's only Tuesday. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day. Yeah, I just made Valentine's Day dinner. No, but for real, good luck on your trading, guys. And that's all I have for this one. I'm out.